Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset or recover your Gmail account password by using your mobile phone. Actually, when we create a Gmail account, that time we gave some password, and if we didn't write that password in somewhere else, that time we can forget that Gmail account password easily. So if you really face this type of problem, then there is no worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the easiest process for resetting or recovering your Gmail account password easily. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. And also please follow my this Facebook page, because every day I uploaded new video into this page, so you can learn many things from there. So let's start the process. So in this video, I'm going to show you two kinds of easiest process for resetting your Gmail account password. The first one will be you have already that Gmail account in your phone and you don't remember that password. And the second one will be you don't have that Gmail account in your phone, but you remember that Gmail account and you want to reset or recover your password, right? I will tell you everything. And I will tell you also something, that how can you actually find out, or how can you actually see your login Gmail account password in your phone. So let's start the process. So first of all, let me show you how can you actually find out your login Gmail account password in your phone. Okay, so first of all, let me go to my Gmail application and let me click here profile icon, and after that let me click here manage your Google account, then swipe right, then click here security, then scroll down, and in the bottom you can see password manager. So let me click on it, and you can see there is no password available in here, right? So you need to change your that Gmail account. So let me click here profile icon and let me choose another one, which is this one, and in that Gmail you can see I have got my Gmail password in here. Okay, let me click here gmail.com, then put my fingerprint, and after that you can see there is my Gmail account and this is the password. So you can see it, just click here and you can see this is my password. Okay, so this is the process how can you actually find out your login password. And let's start the how can you reset or recovering your Gmail account password. Okay, so let me show you the first one, which is you have already that Gmail account in your phone but you don't know that password, right? So how can you actually reset it? So let me go to my this Gmail application, then click here profile icon, then click here manage your Google account, then go to security, scroll down, then click here password, and it asked for your fingerprint or password. Let me give mine. And after that you can see it's already given a chance to create a new password. Okay, so you can reset or recovering your login Gmail account password by this way. So this is the first one, and the second one will be, I assume that I don't have this Gmail account in my phone, and that time how can you actually recover that? Okay, so let me show you by another phone. So in this phone I don't have that Gmail account. Okay, this is the Gmail account, which is evanaustin152@gmail.com. so in this phone I don't have that Gmail account. Let me show you. You can see there is no Gmail account like this. Okay, so let me show you actually how can you reset or recovering that password. So just click here your profile icon, and after that click here add another account in the bottom, and then click here Google, then put your fingerprint, then click here and write here that Gmail account, okay, which is evanaustin152. okay, and after that click here next option, and you don't know your that Gmail account password, right? So what you need to do, just click here forget password option, and it will give a prompt into in your another phone, I mean login phone. So in my this phone I have got that prompt. Okay, so I assume that I don't have access into this Gmail account. Okay, so what I need to do right now, I need to click here. I don't have my phone, so let me click on it, and you can see it sends some OTP code, verification code into my login account, I mean recovery account. Okay, so let me collect that code from my recovery account. So I assume that, and this is my recovery account, and in that account you can see I have got a code number. Okay, so let me click here and let me put my this code number into the this phone, 999612, and sometimes it will send a verification code to your phone number also, so you can collect from there. So after collecting it, just click on next option and wait for a few seconds. Sorry, this is wrong. So I requested for another code because that code was wrong. So let me click here next option. And you can see you can update your password now if you have forgotten. Okay, so you can see in here update password in the bottom. So let me click on it, and then you will get this types of interface, which is create password and confirm password. So just give here your new password, and after that just click here save password, and through this easiest process you can find out or you can reset your Gmail account password easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.